ba na sa halagang 2,900 ay pwede kang kumita ng 50,000 sa isang buwan? Yes, posible nang kumita ng US dollars kahit nasa Pilipinas ka at pwede mo itong maging side hustle kahit busy ka. It might sound too good to be true, but very attainable with the new concept of subscription in e-commerce. Ang business model niya ay similar to Netflix, Spotify, SNR, PLDT, and Zoom na kung saan kailangan mo lang magpa-member or mag-subscribe para ma-access yung services and benefits na ino-offer nila. Even Jason Derulo, ng kilalang international song artist, ay nagtayo ng sarili niyang Rocket Car Wash with subscription business concept.
So it's an amazing facility. You know, you go in and you pay a membership and you can get your car washed at any time.
Same concept with our business, ang kaibahan lang ay magkakaroon ka ng full and exclusive access sa products and services natin at the same time, pwede ka pang kumita by being a subscriber. Sa ino-offer namin na ito ay magkakaroon ka ng exclusive club membership to access our US grade, high-quality products in a wholesale price na up to 50% ang pwede mong kitain per item. Accessible din siya to almost all countries in the world. Hindi mo na rin kailangang maabala sa pagkasikaso nito dahil company na natin na magpapack at ship ng orders ng customer mo. Magkakaroon ka pa ng sarili mong online account and 3 replicated websites. Dito mo mamamonitor in real time ang sales at earnings mo. And if may kaibigan ka na gusto rin kumita katulad mo, magkakaroon ka ng instant $25 or 1,400 pesos as bonus. No limit. Pwede mong i-maximize to anytime and anywhere. And even if hindi ka marunong magbenta or mag-alok ng business, don't worry. May potential income ka pa rin monthly. It's a win-win situation para sa mga gustong sumubok sa negosyo na to. Paano pa kaya kung business builder ka pa? Mas malaking income opportunities ang naghihintay sa'yo. Kumikita ka na weekly at the same time nabibigyan mo din ng chance kumita ang ibang tao just by doing this business like you. And wait! There's more! Meron tayong free digital marketing tools and training na ipoprovide sa inyo once na maging subscriber ka na. Meron din tayong technical supports like group chats and Facebook community group para sa mga materials na kakailanganin mo. Kung interesado ka matuto at kumita sa negosyong ito, I believe this is the right time for you to check this out because we are the fastest growing team from all walks of life with or without experience sa sales, professionals like financial analysts, doctors, teachers, nurse, OFWs, students, content creators, and full-time moms and dads. Lahat ay natutulungan namin kumita ng dollars dito sa Pinas. For more details, click mo lang ang send message button below. Thank you and see you in our team.